If you're seeing a Squarespace error code 400, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps that can often fix it fast. This is usually a browser or session issue, and the good news is that you can troubleshoot it without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website fixes and step-by-step guides. Now let's get into it. First, open a completely clean browser tab. Don't use a page that's already open to Squarespace. Instead, type the direct dashboard web link into your address bar, http://account.squarespace.com. This helps make sure you're going straight to the official login page and not loading a stale session or cached version of the site. Once you're on the page, log out of your Squarespace session completely. Even if you think you're already signed out, do it anyway to make sure the old token is cleared. After that, log back in. This forces Squarespace to generate a fresh session token, which can resolve the 400 error if the problem was caused by a broken or expired login session. Take your time here and make sure the login completes fully before moving on. Next, open an Incognito window in your browser and visit the problem page again. This is one of the best ways to test whether the issue is caused by your normal browser setup. If the 400 error disappears in Incognito mode, that tells you the problem is most likely isolated to your primary browser configuration. In other words, something in your regular browser is interfering with Squarespace, such as cached data, cookies, or an extension. If the page still works in Incognito, that's a strong sign the site itself is fine and the issue is local to your browser. Now the next step is to temporarily disable any browser extensions or script blocking add-ons. Privacy tools, ad blockers, and script blockers can often interfere with Squarespace, especially on Squarespace 7.1, because the platform relies on core layout scripts to load pages correctly. Go into your browser's extension settings and turn off anything that might block scripts, modify page behavior, or restrict tracking. After disabling them, refresh the page and test it again. If the error goes away, you've found the cause. You can then re-enable your extensions one by one to see which one is triggering the issue. If you want to be extra thorough, also clear your browser cache and cookies for Squarespace before testing again. That can help remove any old site data that might still be causing the 400 error. In many cases, these three steps, logging out and back in, testing in Incognito, and disabling extensions are enough to fix the problem quickly. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe because I post more practical tutorials just like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Squarespace site is back up and running now.